Part two of properly connecting or disconnecting a Neumann U67 tube condenser microphone, any kind of tube condenser microphone, would be disassembly. I didn't mention that in the previous video. It's just like you would think though, remembering that the proprietary multi-pin cable here and connecting at the power supply of the tube mic, it's carrying the power from that power supply. So you would never want to disconnect this cable or disconnect the other end of this cable at the power supply if power were turned on. So when you're tearing the mic down at the end of a session, the proper assembly or the proper order would be to, number one, switch the power supply off. Unplug it from the wall. Give it a second just to let the electronics and tubes lose all power and electricity. Once that's done, now you could safely disconnect it here and here with no harm. There you go.